and welcome back to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about weekends. So let's get started. When this topic comes up, a question you could be asked is, what do you do in your spare time? You could simply say, in my spare time, I like to relax, read books, and watch movies. Instead, you could say, during my leisure hour or my leisure time, I enjoy unwinding with a good book, watching films, and taking walks in the park. As this is related directly to you, try and personalize it. As I've always said, a more genuine answer will make you sound more confident. What do you usually do on weekends? Is another good question you could be asked. On weekends, I often hang out with friends, catch up on household chores, and relax by listening to music. Or, during weekends, I frequently socialize with friends, complete pending household tasks, and find solace in the soothing melodies of music. Do you think it is important to make the most of your weekend? Yes, I believe it's important to make the most of weekends, because they provide a chance to recharge and engage in activities that bring joy and relaxation. Undoubtedly, maximizing the potential of weekends is vital, as they offer an opportunity to rejuvenate and partake in activities that enhance overall well-being. Only 3 questions today. Next up, we have our reading passage. Please read along with me. This is intended to provide more context and information so that you can better answer this topic if it comes up. I'm going to look slightly to the side because I have to read. The importance of leisure time. Leisure time is a vital aspect of our lives, providing a much-needed break from the demands of work and other responsibilities. It enables us to recharge our minds and bodies, fostering creativity and enhancing overall well-being. Engaging in leisure activities not only relieves stress, but also offers a sense of accomplishment and fulfillment. Weekends, being a 2-day oasis within our busy schedules, offer a unique opportunity to engage in activities that might be challenging during the weekdays. Many individuals opt for socializing with friends and family, pursuing hobbies and venturing outdoors for recreational activities. This balanced approach to weekends ensures a holistic and rejuvenating experience. Leisure activities during the weekends vary greatly, catering to a wide array of interests. Some people relish outdoor activities such as hiking, biking, or picnicking in nature. Others prefer indoor activities like reading, crafting, or indulging in creative arts. Regardless of the chosen activity, weekends serve as a canvas for self-expression and exploration. Engaging in leisure activities during the weekends goes beyond mere enjoyment. Psychological studies have shown that these activities contribute to improved mental health, reduce stress, and enhance cognitive functions. Participating in hobbies or spending quality time with loved ones fosters positive emotions and a sense of accomplishment. By thoughtfully planning and managing our weekends, we can optimize our leisure time for a more fulfilling and well-rounded life. While weekends provide a valuable opportunity for relaxation and personal growth, it's essential to strike a balance. Ensuring a mix of both active and restful activities helps in maximizing the benefits. Leisure time and weekends serve as a playground for our interests, passions, and well-being. Engaging in diverse activities during these moments not only rejuvenates our spirits, but also contributes to our overall happiness and self-development. Okay, I hope you found that insightful. Next up, we have a wide range of expressions and vocabulary that you can use to incorporate into your language. So, leisure time and vocabulary. We say precious, indulge, recharge, well-being, fulfillment, relief, holistic, venture, recreational, canvas, self-expression. Weekend routine vocabulary. You can say oasis, socializing, balanced approach, rejuvenating, diverse, self-development, active and restful activities, optimize and thoughtfully plan. You could also say psychological benefits, cognitive functions, positive emotions, accomplishment, alleviating stress, enhanced mental health, and sense of accomplishment. Well-rounded life, maximizing benefit, rejuvenate spirits, optimize, thoughtfully planning. A break from the demands, catering a wide array, participating in hobbies, personal growth, thoughtfully planning and managing, replenishing energy, metaphorically speaking, balancing act, maximizing the benefits, taking advantage of. And finally, we're on to our paraphrasing activity. Next up, you have questions, statements, and descriptions. Let's work through it. Do you like spending your leisure time engaging in different activities? Instead, you could say, do you enjoy participating in various activities during your free time? What do you usually do over weekends to relax? What are your typical weekend activities for unwinding? Or, why is it important to strike a balance between work and leisure? What makes achieving a harmony between work and relaxation significant? And next up, our paraphrasing statements. People benefit greatly from engaging in a mix of recreational and restful activities. People derive immense advantages from participating in both leisurely and relaxing activities. Socializing with friends and family members plays a crucial role in enhancing overall well-being. The act of interacting with friends and family significantly contributes to improving one's general state of health. Participating in hobbies not only provides enjoyment, but also contributes to personal growth. Or you could say, engaging in hobbies not only brings pleasure, but also fosters personal development. And then the last one, descriptions. But as always, you're on your own for that. I wish you good luck. Thank you for listening. I'll see you on the next one.